Okay, so this is the next video, and in this video we will cover one more problem, coding access problem, which is exists on the leetcode.com website. If you go to the problem section and in the search section, just search bots to save people. So there is a problem number 881, which come under the the medium difficulty level, but it is like easy only. So bots to save people, if you click on it, right? So this is the question. So let's read the question. You are given an array people. So some array is given where people of I is the weight of the ith person, and an infinite number of bots where each bot can carry a maximum weight of particular limit. Each bot carries at most two people at the same time, provided the sum of the weight of those people is at most limit. So what it is being like saying, they have given some array. So they have given some array. Some array is given, right? The array is called as a people. So array name is people. Fine. Along with that, where people of I is the weight of the ith person. So people of I, like the values in this actually are the weight of the people. So the person first weight is 3, person second weight is 2, person third weight is 1, person fourth weight is 2. Correct. And we have infinite number of bots. We have unlimited number of bots where each bot can carry so there are some boats, some empty boats, which can carry a maximum weight of particular limit. So if there is a particular boat, a limit is given, because like otherwise, if we put some heavy thing on the boat, it might sink, correct? So there is a limit on the particular boat, it can hold that particular weight, right? Each boat carries at most two people, but there is one more condition. One is the at this particular limit, but at a time at most only two people. So those two people has weight maximum to this limit only, not exceed this limit. But there should not more than the two people at the same time, provided the sum of the weight of those limit is at most limit. Now we need to find the number of boats to carry each given person. So we need how many boats we need, so that we can transfer all those people to the boats. As an example, we have people 3 2 1 2. So like we have four people, right? And their weights are 3 2 1 2, or you can consider anything, 30 20 10 20, anything. And we have the limit of 4. Limit of 4 means like one boat can carry a maximum of 4 kg. So how many boats we need? And we know one boat can carry maximum two people at a time, because it is mentioned one boat can carry maximum two people at a time. So how many boats we need, right? So one boat can carry two people. If there is a no concept of the limit, then we can directly say, okay, one boat carry two people. So first two, then next two. If there is a five people, then only one people. So three, like three boats. But there is a concept of the limit as well. So like we need to do some plus of two people. Basically, what we while reading the question, what we have to do, we have to place two people onto the boat, and we have to make sum of those two people, and we have to check whether those two sum is less than or equal to limit. Then we can say, okay, one boat is done. Then we will check the next two person, then we check the next two person. But the also question said we find the minimum number of boats, like minimum number of, it's not like that, okay, if like four people, we will check 3 plus 2 is not coming, okay, 3, then 2 plus 1, then 2. It's not like that, we find the minimum number of boats. So all right, so in the question, whatever the logic we will write, whoever will be the logic led by reading by any method. So in that method, we have to like add add the sum of two people. So there should be some condition. If the a person at this position and person at some another position has weight sum is equal to less than equal to 4, if it is less than equal to limit, then we will increase the number of boat is equal to boat plus 1, and consider like in starting boat should be 0, and then we can check next two, then we can check next two. So in this way, like we have to operate some logic, right? And like if we like see, like if we want to like proceed with the logic, And if we check, so let's suppose we start with the 3. Like, who is the maximum weight in this? And one more thing, like, there should not be an array whose condition is like this, because if we have any person 5 and the boat can hold maximum limit of 4, so this person can't sit on the boat, right? So this is invalid scenario. So anyhow they have given into the constraint as well, so this is an invalid scenario. So that scenario will never come into the picture, right? So who is the maximum weight? So this person, the person number 1 who has weight 3, has the maximum weight. So if this person can adjust with the minimum person, who's the minimum weight? Minimum weight is 1. If this person can adjust with that person, then these two will go. But if this person cannot adjust, let's put if this is also 2, so minimum is 2, right? And maximum is 3. If this person cannot adjust, because 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, but the boat can carry 4. So if this person cannot adjust with, if the maximum person cannot adjust with the minimum person, then it is, we know, so this person has to travel alone only, because like we can't, like, maximum 2 people can like put into the boat. So but minimum 1 also can be go into the boat. So if this person, if the maximum weight cannot adjust with the minimum 1, then the person, we know that person has to like travel alone. Then we can go to the next person. All right. So how we can check like which one is the maximum, which one is the minimum? So to check the maximum and the minimum, we can sort the array. If we sort the array, right? If we sort the array, then we know the first one is the minimum and the last one is the maximum. So if we sort the array, so our array is 1, 2, 2, 3. Then it's very, very, very easy question. We have to just the 2-pointer approach. So we will place first pointer here. We will place left pointer here, or you can say the lowest weight or highest pointer, or you can say left pointer or right pointer, right? So, and we know maximum 2 person we have to add, and we have to do some plus, some addition. So what we can do is we will add first person and the last person, and we will check if the weight of both the person combined is less than equal to limit, then we will increase the number of boat, and we can increase the left pointer and decrease the right pointer. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 is less than equal to 4. So boat is equal to boat plus 1. So boat is equal to boat plus 1. Now we will increase our left pointer. All right. So left pointer come at 2 position and decrease our left pointer, because 1 and 3 already done. Then we can again check 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we will check at weight of the left pointer and weight of the right pointer, or high value person. So 4 is less than equal to 4. That is perfectly okay. Then we will again do that boat is equal to boat plus 1. Then one more boat is needed. Right. So 2 boat done. And we will increase the pointer. Now the left pointer here and the right pointer here. So left pointer exceeds the right pointer. So our loop will be end. So we also got to know we have to run some loop, and there should be some while loop. And while loop will run only at that point when the left pointer is less than or equal to the right pointer. All right. And then we have to calculate. But what will happen? What will happen if, let's suppose, so this is 2. So let's suppose this is 2. Then left pointer is here, right pointer is here. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, because we will put our left pointer here and right pointer here. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, right? So we know 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we can't move the left pointer, we have to move the right pointer, and we will increase the board counter, because we know the maximum person cannot adjust with the minimum person. So the maximum person will travel alone. So we will decrease our only right pointer. We are not going to decrease our, we are not going to increase our left pointer. So this is also one of the condition. So let's see one more example. So let's put 1, 2, 3, 3 limit is 4. So left pointer is this, right pointer is this. So we will check the weight of addition of left pointer and the right pointer. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So which is equal to the 4 or less than equal to the 4. So one boat is required, and we will increase our left pointer and decrease our right pointer. Fine. then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So which is exceeds the limit, right? So if it is exceeds the limit, we know the maximum person will go alone. So boat is equal to boat plus 1, then second boat is required, and we will decrease our right pointer, but we will not touch our left pointer. Then both the pointer at the same position, right? So this more condition, because we cannot add 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, because we are adding unnecessary same person. If only one person left, if left and right pointer at the same position, then only one person, then we don't need to do any kind of addition operation. We will just increase both is equal to both plus 1. So this is one of condition. So what condition we have? If left pointer plus right pointer, you can say low pointer or high pointer is less than equal to limit, we will increase the both, we will increase the left pointer, we will decrease the left pointer. If left is equal to right, then we will not do anything, we will just increase the both is equal to both plus 1. If left plus right is exceeds the limit, then we are not going to, like left plus right exceeds the limit, then we will just decrease the left pointer and increase the number of, decrease the right pointer and increase the number of both. And we have to run our loop till when like left pointer is less than the right pointer. All right, so let's write a logic. So let me copy the code. So let's write a logic. So we know we have to take two pointers, left is equal to 0 and right is equal to length of people minus 1, right? And we know we have to run a loop, we have to run a loop when till left pointer is less than equal to the right pointer. But all are the three condition which we discuss. If left pointer, so if weight, okay, okay, if left pointer, if left is equal to right, then what we have to do? If left is equal to right, so both the pointer will meet together. But we cannot add left plus is equal to right. Then we will just increase both is equal to both plus 1, and we will like initialize both is both is equal to 0. And before that we have to sort the array. So people dot sort. We have to sort the array, right? And if people at left plus people at right is less than equal to limit, right? If the then we will again increase the bots, right? And in this case we will increase our left pointer and decrease our right pointer. Else, what is the else condition? If like a left pointer plus right pointer is greater than limit, then what we have to do? We will just we will increase the board, because only the right person will go, and we will decrease the right pointer. All right, and once all done, we will just return the number of boards. So now we see, like we will just like optimize this code a little bit, peoples. We will see this right condition, like or you can see this board condition is here, board condition is here, so board condition is here. So whatever is the condition, board is also going to increase to 1. So we will remove the board from here. Let's do pass, and we will keep uh, here, because board is equal to board plus 1 is going in every operation. So why we need to write 3 times, right? So that's it. And here we have removed. If this is only pass condition, then why we need this condition? We can just remove, because this is just a pass condition. Then why we need this condition? We can just put if. And now we have two condition. Then right is also here, right is also here. Then why we need right here? We can just put right here, and we can put pass here, and we can remove this right here. If else condition is passed, then why we need else condition? We can just remove here. So that's it. And let's try to run this. Sorry. Let's try to run this. So it's run fine. Like we have beat 66% of the people, and in the runtime and memory 72%. So that is fine, and our code is like accepted as well. So you can try this question as well. Like it's a easy question only. But once we know the logic is just to sort that array, and the logic is just only one logic. That's it. Like if the highest people, the highest person weight people cannot adjust with the lowest person people, then it will go alone. Then how we go to know who is the highest, who is the lowest? Just sort the array. Once we sort the array, we know the first one is the lowest, the last one is the highest. Then just start adding, and accordingly move the pointer and increase the number of board. And we know on maximum two people can carry into the one board. Then we will we will in the notepad or something, we will write all the condition. Then first we write all the condition, then we will to optimize. You can put if else. That is still fine, but unnecessary more number of lines, more number of time it will take, right? Then we will a little bit optimize our code, because we see some lines are repeated in each conditions. Then we will remove those condition and we will put outside like all the if conditions. So that's it. That's the end of the video. You can also try. This is a good question, and this is based on the two pointer approach, and two pointer approach is applicable in like a lot of questions. So thank you.